This is a plead for help. This Ferrari has sticky button syndrome. It is a 2017 California T. There's all the buttons basically. So we've got the little camera button, your radio buttons, your power window buttons, the roof button. You can see how ick they are. That's all sticky in there. Now I've tried 99% IPA. I've tried a handful of other things like wax and grease remover or white spirit. I've tried water-based turpentine. I've tried obviously your citrus powered interior cleaners, etc., but I cannot get anything to touch this stuff. It cleans it so it looks clean and doesn't look grubby, but it still leaves the sticky residue all over the buttons, and you can see how it started to clean the goo off the corner, but the rest of the gluey coating still remains. So I'm asking if anyone has any solutions that I haven't mentioned below, give me a yell. Thank you.